Squirrel. Watch these other squirrels run up at him. There's like this big fat like brown squirrel that's been like running up and messing with him. Squirrel, what you do? What you doing, squirrel? He's like protecting the porch. There's like two other squirrels that have been messing with him. Oh, there's one of them. It's not the fat one though. There's a really fat squirrel. It looks adorable. Look at him standing up. This one is sassy. He's making all kinds of noises and raising up on him. Squirrel, what you doing? Hey! What up, squirrel? What up, bud? You chill as all hell. Unless there's other squirrels around. What up? Hear those noises? What you about to do? What you doing? Oh. Can I interview you? Are you willing to answer some questions? Squirrel, how did you get here? Where you come from? Oh, there's one. He's chasing him. He chased him. They're fighting. Hey, look, there's fat. Or no, it's not the fat. Oh no, he's fucked. Oh damn, did you see that? I got a turf war going on my front yard. There's a bird. Oh, he made it. Don't look like he's bleeding. He was like walking on his hind legs. Look, there goes that one. There's the fat one. Oh my god. That bird's about to get screwed. Oh shit, did you see that? Oh my god. What are y'all doing? Oh, different squirrel taking over the porch. There must be something under my porch. They're very protective of that. Oh, they just crawled under it. Holy shit. Holy shit. Is there a hole in the step there? Oh, there's 4 of them motherfuckers. Now they over there at that tree. Oh, look, there's 2 more. What the hell? That's 6 squirrels. What are y'all doing? They don't give a fuck. Literally, like, I was about to return these flashlights because they suck. And then this squirrel action's happening. This is like, this is badass. Nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay epic.